Pyro.
It's music note. Okay, this is Pyro. Look, you don't care about Curlin?
I don't care about Curlin.
Well, you know what? I don't blame you. He's not feeding your kids.
By the way, that's Colonel John in front of him, isn't it?
Thank you, Ben. You're right.
Oh, there he is. He's home in like 5 minutes.
Nope.
Oh, that's a little.
Just a blowout. He's in Thursday. Colonel John in the fog. Very bogus.
24-4.
Okay, we first have Colonel John. Now we've got Curlin. First time we got him brazen on tape. Very, very, very bogus.
49-4.
CL Silk, oh, she's a freak. CS Silk, she's going to run against Start and Bound. She won the Arlington Washington Lassie by 6. Going back. It's past the point. So you read that cloth? Springhouse.
What about it? I'm sorry.
West Side
I
Burning.
like the way he's braided up, Larry.
Do you?
Yeah?
There's West Side Burning. Skip a date.
This is. Oh, that's the show horse.
Oh, that's the filly, Placido de Mora. Okay, Will Arm's going to get his final little prep. Square Eddie.
Except I get a finer caffeine than you do.
Well armed. Very smooth.
Who's this Darley horse here for Franco? Or is it? Do you know that horse?
47.
Is that Darley or
Very
not?
nice.
Oh, yeah.
We can't pull him up. Benny Stutz with the under the radar smooth air. Might be used in superfectors for the classic. Oh, he's a really good horse. In council. Square Eddie. Okay, smooth air. First time on the track here at Santa Anita. Called our horse with a big long shot look.
Who's the
Student council is trying to improve.
Mind the Bird. Here's Mind the Bird with Sean Pill.
Mind the Bird.
Here's Hoffman with a
Mind the Bird.
dark fade blinker.
That's totally
Mind that
different
bird.
than you're ever going to do on.
Mind that bird.
Where do I know this horse from?
Midnight Lutes. Final prep. Got his foot patched. Midnight Lutes. Final prep. Trying to be back-to-back Breeders' Cup Sprint winner. First time ever. He can do it. Very nice with the ears pricked. Very controlled. Something. Can you read that, Bruno?
Yeah, it says Aaron.
Aram.
Here's Mac Attack.
Don't even know who this is. That's Champs-Élysées right in front of you. He's going to work.
With the blinkers.
Champs-Élysées ripping down the backside with the blinkers on. Champs-Élysées been ripping.
Pretty aggressive with the blinkers on.
Levels off, switches leads. Pretty serious drill. Looks like he won 59 and change. The undercard of Breeders' Cup Filly Distaff Day, Ladies' Day, will be She's Cheeky. One of mine, Black Minnelush filly out of a single.
Lady Sprinter.
Oh, she's Lady Sprinter. Rebellion? Rebellion for the sprint.
Who's on it?
Michael Hunter. She's Cheeky on our blowout. There's Champs-Élysées. Going back happy. That's Curlin's workmate on the other side of the calls. What's he? Who? Booyah? Of course, but come on. This has been the hype horse. If that's a Derby prospect, I'm in the wrong game. The flag, Calbred, that's going to run in the down the hill turf sprint. And there's the Pomplamoose by Kathleen. Go. Looks lit up. That gray that went by of James Jerkins was Zaltig, and this is California Flag. Just very in hand. B. Albertus Maximus out of his work. E. Karma. Here's Ginger Punch out of her race. Workout. Billy Hill, Billy Mare Turf, Marquesi. I think this Karma horse is from Calder, 2-year-old Phil. REMEA. That's Black 17. Black 17. 17 outside a workmate. Trying to keep him in hand. Hard horse to ride. That was Renda we were watching. One song is an unbridled song of Dale Romans for Zayat. Know this guy for many years. Nice horse. Turf. One Union. Coronet of a Baron. Gonna work on grass. One Union. Gonna run in a sprint. One Union. Turf sprint. Coronet of a Baron. Has to accelerate, and he does. Coronet of a Baron. Saucy Evening. Grand Motion, more than ready. Just galloping. Saucy Evening. Just a little 3/8 blow off to the juvenile filly turf. Very impressive in the Cal Cup. Very bogus.